Hey guys, welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you love home decor content. Now, a pink bathroom brings so much fun and personality into a home. It has that instant femininity and charm that feels both fresh and timeless. Depending on the shade, pink can create a totally different vibe. Soft blush tones give a calming, spa-like atmosphere, while bold fuchsias or hot pinks bring in somewhat of a playful energy. Now, some people think pink bathrooms are only for women or children, but that's just not true. When you pair pink with neutrals like gray, black, or even crisp white, it becomes a sophisticated, modern, and completely gender-neutral tone. In fact, designers are bringing pink back in a big way, proving it can work in sleek, contemporary spaces just as beautifully as in vintage-inspired ones. So yes, pink bathrooms are absolutely in style, and they can be tailored to suit anyone's taste. So go ahead and take a look at this home decor quickie, and I will see you all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Bye guys.